Here I'm using an Android device, so I'll be using Play Store. So I tap on my Play Store app for it to open. In the search space, just type Word and then hit the search button. Sorry, Word. Hit the search button. You see, it will bring up some search results, but our interest is on Microsoft Word. So tap on it for it to open fully. Then, because I already have the app on my device, it's showing me update button. But if you don't have it already existing on your device, hit the install button. Within few minutes, the app will be installed on your device or your smartphone. Then go on, open it, and sign in with your Microsoft account details. With this, you can easily use your mobile app, your Microsoft Word as a mobile app. So it's no longer those situations or those days where you can only do that with your computer. Thank you.